What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got 10 great choices for affordable spring jackets. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Kevin Mitchell, salute. Hands down, the jacket is one of the most essential pieces for spring. Because of the unpredictability of the weather, you're gonna need to keep warm, but you don't wanna overheat wearing a winter coat. That's where these great spring jackets come in. And the great thing about them, you don't have to spend a ton to get a nice one. And that's what I wanna show you on today's video. On today's video, I've got 10 great jackets that won't break the bank, but will keep you stylish throughout the spring. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description to all the jackets I talk about on today's video if you wanna pick up one or two for yourself. So without any further delay, let's hop right into it. First up, I have a fantastic spring jacket with a great pattern. This is one I definitely have my eyes on. This BDG Bandana Quilted jacket. It's a perfect light layer with a quilted construction. Love this all over bandana print with the snap front closure. It has a pointed collar and patch pockets at the front chest and slip pockets at the waist. Finished with adjustable button cuffs and a rounded hemline. Really love this jacket. I'm a big fan of a bandana print. This one will look great with jeans. Great transitional piece for the spring, and it's only gonna cost you 89 bucks. Next up, we have a more traditional piece that looks very expensive, but isn't. I absolutely recommend this Mango Men faux suede bomber jacket. Now, the reason why I often recommend faux suede jackets to save a few bucks, faux suede is much easier to get right than faux leather. And this one from Mango Men definitely does the trick. I've been rocking the very similar jacket from Mango Men for the last couple of years, and you guys absolutely love it. And as you can see, this one comes in several different colors. Comes in a classic bomber style, and when you rock this faux suede bomber, trust me, nobody will be able to tell it's not real suede. And on top of that, I recently found it on sale for 45 bucks. Next up, I have a great workwear style that's rugged, classic, and masculine. I definitely think you should check out this Top Man classic fit denim Chore jacket. This jacket is casual cool, it's laid back, but very rugged. The Chore jacket is a style I often recommend people try out. This has a great front button closure, a spread collar, button cuffs, a chest button, and flat pockets. It's 100% cotton, and I love this olive color for the spring. A lot of us rock trucker jackets and bomber jackets. Those are classic choices. But I really believe guys should start looking at Chore jackets. Underrated style in my opinion. This one is rugged, it's masculine, and it's cool, and it's only gonna cost you 43 bucks. Next up, we have another jacket that I definitely think I'll be getting for myself. I absolutely love fleece jackets, and you definitely can't go wrong with this North Face Dunraven fleece jacket. This one is warm, this one is comfortable, but still lightweight enough for the spring. That's because it's made with a mid-weight, high-pile fleece. It has a stretchy elastic binding, front zip closure, a stand collar, and an elastic cuff and hem. Like I said, I really love this jacket. In the evergreen color, another great one for spring. Classic, warm, comfortable, and cool, and you can grab this one for 59 bucks. Now, of course, one of the things about spring weather, it can be very unpredictable. That's why you need a jacket that will have you ready for inclement weather. You know those April showers that bring May flowers? This jacket will definitely get it done. Take a look at this J. Crew Factory Khaki trench coat. Now it gets no more dapper and functional than a classic trench coat. Elevated, stylish, and very useful. And of course, you can never go wrong with the classic khaki color that always works in a trench coat. And I love that this one comes with a regular fit that makes it easy to layer. And of course, it has the classic lapel collar. Everything you can need and want from a khaki trench coat. Classic, stylish, and functional just in case of rain, and it's only gonna cost you 99 bucks. Next up on the list, we have what I believe is probably the highest quality and best design jacket on our list. This Banana Republic plaid bomber sweater jacket. This one, of course, another one you might catch me with. It's constructed of Italian wool and has 5 different colors in its plaid pattern. I love this great jacquard print. It has a ribbed knit bomber style collar, button front, side pockets, and a straight hem. This one screams quality and top-notch design. And of course, Banana Republic is a place you'll often find things on sale. This great sweater jacket normally lists for $170, but if you grab it right now, I found it on sale for only $85. Next up, I have another great pick, a longer jacket for when that spring weather gets a little bit cooler than normal. I highly recommend this H&M gray wool blend car coat. This one is definitely a winner. It's a gray car coat in a wool blend. I like the extra detail of the stand-up collar. It has a button front closure, welt side pockets with a flap and inner pockets. This is definitely a jacket I'll throw on if it gets a little nippy. The stand-up collar giving you a little extra cover for some unpredictable spring winds. It's classy, it's stylish, it's masculine, it's cool. I highly recommend this car coat from H&M, and it's only gonna cost you $99. Now, just about any spring jacket list wouldn't be complete without a denim jacket, and that's definitely what we have next. A great choice from Old Navy. This Old Navy built-in flex jean jacket. Now, one of the things I definitely love about this one is that it's engineered with Old Navy's built-in flex. What that means, it has great stretch. It'll move with you. And to me, stretch is one of the best inventions in clothes over the last decade or so, making a lot of clothes very comfortable. And I love that this is a dark wash, a different color than you usually see in denim trucker jacket. It has a spread collar and button flat patch pockets at the chest. I mean, this one is an absolute no-brainer. The classic trucker style in denim, and it's only gonna cost you $60. And a lot of times even less because it's often on sale. Now I know, I've probably said this 3 or 4 times already, but this next jacket is another one I'm probably gonna grab. I absolutely love this Zara patch varsity jacket. Love this classic throwback style, the varsity jacket. It's a full cut jacket with a ribbed collar, welt pockets at the hip, contrasting patch at the front and back, rib elastic cuffs with a front snap closure. And I love that it's lightweight being made out of nylon. Perfect for the spring. Love the colors, love the details, love the throwback design, and on top of that, it's only gonna cost you $89. Next up, I have another classic style of jacket that somehow manages to be underrated and underworn. I always recommend for spring Harrington jackets. And a great way to get one without breaking the bank, check out this Asos design Harrington jacket with the funnel neck. The Harrington jacket is just a cool, preppy, laid-back style that's always modern, always on point. And this one from Asos is no different. Like I said, it has a funnel neck, that classic preppy style, a ribbed cuff and hem, it has functional pockets, and it has a regular fit, so it's not gonna be too slim for a lot of guys. And I always love a regular fit jacket for the spring because it allows for layering. Classic, preppy, but still underrated. You definitely can't go wrong with a Harrington jacket, and you definitely can't beat it when it only costs you $43. I guess it's pretty obvious, I absolutely love a jacket for the spring. One of the most versatile and useful pieces in any guy's wardrobe this season. And I hope you realize throughout this video, you can grab a great one without doing too much damage to your credit card. Now, of course, I always love to hear your feedback. Which one of these jackets were your favorites, and which ones do you have your eyes on? Until next time, salute.